Bluey woke up feeling adventurous. A strange whistle echoed from the backyard. Could it be calling her to a secret adventure? Bingo ran over. She shouted, "Bluey, what's that sound?" Bluey's eyes sparkled. "Let's find out." Dad peeked from the porch. "Be careful." Mom followed with a curious smile. Bluey nodded determinedly. They tiptoed toward the sound. The grass shimmered mysteriously. Leaves rustled in the morning breeze. Bluey's tail twitched. Could this be magical? Suddenly, a small glowing door appeared beneath a big tree. Bluey gasped. Bingo whispered, "Could it be a portal?" Bluey inserted a tiny key she found earlier. The door creaked open. A tunnel of sparkling light revealed itself. Could they really enter? Inside, the tunnel glimmered with colors. Strange shadows danced on the walls. Bluey felt a thrill. Bingo's paws barely touched the ground. Could this world be enchanted? A friendly creature appeared suddenly. It had soft glowing wings and twinkling eyes. Bluey whispered, "Hello." Could this be their guide? The creature led them to a hidden garden. Flowers glowed in every color. Bluey twirled in delight. Could happiness feel this alive? They explored carefully, hopping over little streams, chasing butterflies, laughing and discovering secrets. Bluey's heart felt light and joyful. As the sun began to set, they returned through the tunnel. The backyard looked normal again. Bluey whispered, "What an incredible adventure." Bingo hugged Bluey tightly. "Thank you for sharing this magical day." Bluey wagged her tail happily. "And you?" "Yes, you." If you felt the magic with Bluey, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so much for watching.